This light and colourful summer dish is a kind of soup/stew combo. Minestrone is an Italian classic, and by its very nature, a throw-together kind of recipe. It's a great way to use whatever vegetables you have on hand. Start off by cooking the pasta. We've used orzo, but any small pasta is fine. Cook it for 3 minutes less than needed. It'll finish cooking in the broth. Once that's underway, fry 2 onions, 2 courgettes, and 4 garlic cloves for 5 to 6 minutes. Add a splash of water if it starts to catch. Next, add 300 grams of trimmed runner beans, a can of chopped tomatoes, 500 ml of vegetable stock, a can of borlotti beans. Simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, then add the drained pasta for the last few minutes to finish cooking. If you prefer a thicker sauce, cook the pasta together with the stew. Top with fresh basil and divide between 4.